Hello.
Your wish, sir.
Oh, it's my wish. Okay. Thank you so much. So I'll keep my video on, and definitely uh, we will not waste the much time, and we will introduce the subject first. What do you know about SST then? I mean, so what about syllabus, its paper pattern, and its marking scheme and all? Do you know anything, or shall I explain now? If it is so I can do that, or straight we should go for the chapter. Yes, please respond. Don't sit idly there. Hello, am I audible? Am I audible there?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
If I'm audible, so please respond.
Yes, sir. You're audible.
Yes, I'm audible there. If I'm audible there, then you just respond. Shall I explain to you the syllabus? Or let us start with the syllabus. Okay. First of all, we'll go here. Yeah. Okay. Now see here. Can you see the screen, please? Please tell me if you're.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is written as a term syllabus that we are going to study here. There is nothing more there. Just some things that I want to share with you about the paper pattern and all. Okay. So in term two, as we all know that in SST there are 4 subjects. That is, first is history, second is civics, third is geography, and definitely economics. Okay, so in these subjects the chapters are divided. There would be in total 40 marks. There will be the 40 marks paper. Okay, and in history only one chapter is coming there. If you know this, do you know this? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You might have gone through this, I think.
Yes, sir. Partially.
Mhm. Yeah. One chapter only it is coming there, and that is nationalism in India. Nationalism in India. Second is civics. There we will learn about the politics, means the political parties in India which are active there. Political parties. Okay. In geography, there are again 2 chapters: manufacturing industries. Manufacturing industries. One second. I think it's not properly written. Okay. Manufacturing industries. Okay. And second chapter in geography is that is lifelines of national economy or Indian economy, something like that. Okay. Lifeline. You're not, I think it is not understandable, right? Let me finish it. Okay. Okay. Second here in geography, that is given as manufacturing industries, lifelines of national economy. Lifelines of economy. I'm writing in short, okay? Just take it down. And
Yes, sir.
okay, economics, we have 2 chapters. First is money and credit. Okay, and the second chapter it is included there, that is globalization. Okay, so there is in total 1, 2, 3. Here again there is one chapter, that is outcomes of democracy. I'm writing here. It is mess over here, okay, but please consider it. Outcomes of democracy. Okay, these chapters are there. Means in total there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 chapters are included. Okay, in your term 2 syllabus. Where? In term 2 syllabus. Are you getting it? Huh? Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me finish up. Now see, these 4 subjects now have been divided into 40 marks. It means each subject will have 10 marks. How many marks? 10 marks. Okay, each subject will have 10 marks. Means marking scheme is given same to the all subjects. Okay, like history, geography, civics, and economics. And even the questions which are distributed over here, those questions will be they will be starting from 2 marks. 1 mark question they are not asking this time. Okay, as it is going to be described there. Okay, so in this there are in total 5 sections. 5 sections: A, B, and C, D, and E. Okay, so 5 sections there are: A, B, C, D, and E. In section A, there would be 2 marks question. A section would have 2 marks questions. Okay, in total there would be 10 questions. How many questions will be there?
10, sir.
10 questions. Okay, and sorry, not 10, only 5 questions. I'm very sorry, only 5
5
questions.
questions for 10 marks.
Not 10 marks. Yes. I just spoke it turning out. Okay, then section B, it will include which question from question number 6 to 8. In total there would be 3 questions. Okay, and they would be of 3 marks. How many marks? 3 marks. Okay, 3 questions. Section B, C, there would be in total 2 questions, that is question number 9 and 10, and they will be carrying 5 marks. Okay, how many questions? 2 questions. Are you getting what am I writing on the board?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Yes, it is clear, but I think it is not that much clear. Okay, so please, whatever I'm writing there, please consider it. And section D, it would have question number 11, 12, and both will be on case basis. Okay, and it means they will be case based questions. If you have seen that term 2 syllabus there from the website. Okay, so those will be case based questions, and they will be of 5 marks. Okay, understood? Question number 13 is given over there as in section E, that is your map section. Which section? Map section. Understood? This map section will include from history there would be 2 questions, and from geography there would be 1 question. Understood? Oh, sorry.
Yes, sir.
No, it is going wrong. From history there is only 1, and from geography there are 2 questions. Little bit confused.
And sir, what about a choice?
Choice. choice will be given there, okay, but you have compulsorily attempt only one from history and two from geography. History is based upon the identification, okay. You would have given something, some place name or something else, okay, like name would be given, sorry, the explanation would be given for that, and you will have to identify that place or something identification. On identification you would have me you will have to attain this question from history, and then from geography these are the just level, you have to level it, okay, you have to label, and sometimes you have to locate it for where is that place particular on the outline of the map, okay. So this is all about the questions and their marking schemes, okay. And already I have told you the in the subjects from each subject, so whatever is coming over there, okay, from what subject how many chapters are coming, that we have discussed about. Have you got the point? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Am I clear to all? Means my language and my voice is clear to all?
Clear,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Fine, it's clear.
In the sense, if I'm not audible, or if I'm blur over here, such kind of case is there or what? Is there something? No? Okay. Shall I put it?
Yes.
Okay. So now let us introduce with the subject directly now. Okay. And I would like to start with uh, economics. Do you like economics? You will have to like
Like it, sir.
this time, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Today the budget was introduced. Yes.
It was a budget today. Have you watched that or
Yes, sir, I watched.
something? Yes, many things have been implemented. Almost last year's budget was whatever the last year budget was there. Almost the things have doubled. Means the expenditure have doubled, is doubled now. There's
Yes, sir.
a lot, and that is a good thing that economic should grow fast. Even Mukesh Ambani is saying that every person in India should become uh, rich, but how he did not tell.
He
Okay,
has his own plans.
he did not tell anything about that. So let us understand our first chapter today, and that is we are going to study with we are going to start with economics, chapter number 3, that is money and credit. I think we all love to have money with us, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are going to study today this chapter, okay. This chapter in this session we are going to study with the money and credit, where we are going to study about the use of money and why only money, okay. And this term credit we will introduce later, means I will introduce it later on. First of all we'll learn about the money. So whatever the things today we can do, and it means whatever, today nothing is possible without the use of money, isn't it? And it is the mostly used medium of exchange. Whatever we purchase, we buy, okay, those things are to be exchange or purchase with the use of money only. Understood? So
Yes.
in this chapter we will actually learn about money, and money as a medium of exchange, as it is the heading given over there, okay, in your book. Have you your book with you?
Yes, sir.
So the heading itself is telling that money is used as the medium of exchange. So one question can be arised over there: why only money is used as the medium of exchange? Why only money? What do you think?
So it gives fair chance to everyone.
Yeah,
It gives fair chance to everyone
it
to
gives fair
raise their
chance to
income.
everyone. It means the goods are getting their price in exchange, the worth price, right?
Yes. If
The
we
worth
take,
price they are
if
getting.
we
Okay.
compare it with the barter system,
Uh-huh.
in it only the rich person can trade with others, while in this, the poor can actually earn his own and he can use that.
Okay. So you are saying that this money can be used by everyone. Okay, but there is a system to work anything, to be worked anything, right? Means whatever we want to be worked with, there is a system, right? So in almost every country in the world, in every country in the world, there are having their currencies, isn't it? Currency hai.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sometimes if I use Hindi word, so is it okay with you?
No problem, sir.
Sometimes,
We
Fine.
no,
understand.
no, only
That,
sometimes it would come. Okay. जैसे अभी मैंने पूछा that are you comfortable? Okay. So in every country, almost they are having their own currencies, and this currency is prescribed or actually launched by the government. Okay, from that part of that particular country. So nobody can deny it to be used. Okay, that, but this is not the case, or this is not the answer that we are going to study. Why only money? Okay, because when money was invented or not invented, let us take an example. When money was not invented, so something would have been there. No, the people were there, right? The citizens were there in the country, and on the surface of the earth there were some, definitely the population was there, and it was exchanging, and they were eating, they were selling, they were buying. Okay, they were even exchanging the things into the market and all. Okay, whatever we are seeing in modern time, same things were happened in, used to happen in the ancient times, isn't it? So in those days, something like coins, right? Metal coins, metal coins. Okay, these metal coins were used before the invention of the money. Okay, and these coins were generally used by the royal families first, because these coins were introduced only by the royal family. Royal family, are you getting? It means from the king's house or king's court. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
yes, sir.
so what was happening there? The things were purchased, things were purchased in exchange of coins. The coins may be of any metal, like silver, gold, copper. Understood? These kinds of coins were used there earlier, and they were prescribed or launched by the royal families. But even before that, something was there, and that was considered as the barter system. As you can see here, see, look at this. Is it visible there? This is
Yes, sir.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
So you will get it from everything, you will get it, right? What is written here? Money is something that can be used as a means of payment, a measure of value, or a medium of exchange. For example, currency notes, metal coins, demand deposits, and all. See, everything here, whatever we are going to study here, that everything in these two lines or one line is explained. Even we are going to study about the banks, where demand deposit, this word will be used, and coins. Already I have told you just from where it was invented. Okay, from the royal family it was invented. And currency, that the latest thing that we are using nowadays. Are you getting better? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Huh?
We are
Yes, sir.
getting it, sir.
Are you getting now? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So money is something that can be used as a means of payment. Means whatever the things you are purchasing nowadays, nothing will be means nothing will be there without the payment of money. Okay. In exchange, you would have to give something. Suppose I need something and I come, I just come to you. So what would you do? And even you want to something from me. Okay. So there would be just an exchange. If the things are exchanged, so there is a different concept for that. Okay. But money has eliminated money has eliminated this thing. Okay, as you want something, so you can sell, or as you want something, so you can purchase. Okay, are you getting the point, beta? Okay, one second, huh? One second, just 1 second. Okay, so money as a medium of exchange, how do you explain it? The importance of money in our day-to-day life, as we have already discussed about. What is the importance of money in our day-to-day life? Whatever you want, you can purchase. Whatever you want. Understood? Whatever you want, you can sell in terms of getting money from the person who is purchasing the things from you, and he will also pay you money. Okay, so money acts as an intermediate in the process of exchange. It is just an intermediate. It is just an intermediate. Like suppose it is A and it is B. Okay, A wants to sell something and B wants to purchase something. Are you getting? Okay, so what B will do? B will give money to A and will take this, or will purchase this thing, whatever is available over here and he wants. Okay, in exchange of money. So what happened here? B has to give only money in exchange of the thing. Okay, whatever he purchased, only he has to give money. Means B nothing gave anything, means nothing gave to A, okay, in exchange of this thing. Are you getting? Okay, so that is why it is called as money act as an intermediate in the process of the exchange. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, understood. Now see,
Yes,
there
sir.
are the situations where we have three people. In your book it is also given over there. Okay, 1 second. See, here in this picture, you can see over here, three things are given. Let us consider them let us consider them the sellers. Okay, what will be here? If suppose you want to purchase shoes, what would you do?
We would go to the shop and
You
ask
will
for the
purchase it.
shoes.
Okay, you will choose the shoes and you will purchase them. You want to purchase pots, same thing will happen. You want to purchase wheat, same thing will happen. Okay, are you getting? Okay, so here the person who wants to sell the shoes, suppose he wants some other things as well, just like the system there means mm, the shoes manufacturer wants to purchase pots or wheat. So what will be there? Suppose person A is purchasing shoes, but he doesn't want to purchase wheat. Doesn't want to purchase wheat. Understood? अगर wheat नहीं खरीदना चाहता तो shoes manufacturer क्या करे? But shoes manufacturer wants to purchase the wheat, but wheat does not want to purchase shoes. In this situation, there would be the problem with the wheat seller as well as the shoe seller. Understood? And that is why whatever we have already discussed about the ancient time, in ancient time, it is used to exchange the things. And that situation was called, or that system was called barter system. What was called it? Barter system. Situation before the invention of money. Situation before the invention of money. As you can see the heading on this. Okay. Are you getting? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir, we are getting.
Okay. So this situation is known as barter system, where the things, means a system where the goods are directly exchanged without the exchange of money. Means in place of, see here, as in this picture you can see what is here. It is something here in this pot, and the person is holding tomatoes in his hands, right? It means this person will give this thing to this person, and this tomatoes will be given to this person. Means both are having the demands of the things. Are you getting? Both are having the demands of the things. Now these demands can be considered as wants. These demands are considered as wants. Understood? मतलब मेरी इच्छा क्या है? I want something, and if you have that thing, so I would offer you the another thing in exchange of that thing, whatever I want. Are you getting? Okay. This
Yes.
situation is called as double coincident of wants. What is double coincident of want? What a person desires to sell is exactly what the other wishes to buy. ठीक है. मुझे अगर मान के चलो, suppose example, I want to sell this pen. Okay, 1 second. I want to sell the pen. Okay, and someone wants to sell a register or notebook. Just take a notebook. Okay. Now, what will happen here? Is there any chance to have the double coincidence?
Very
I'm
less.
asking you, Muhammad.
Sir, very
Yes,
less.
sir. There is a slight chance that both of them want what the other person wants, but although the chances are less, there is still a chance.
There is a chance, a slight chance. You're saying there is a slight chance. Someone is there, like her name is Sira. Sira, no. It is ma'am, I think, right?
Yes, sir.
Sira, who is this? This one, Sira. I even did not take your introduction. I will take later on it. No matter. Okay. Adarsh.
Yes, sir.
Adarsh, are you getting what I'm asking you?
Yes, sir.
So is there any chance to have the double coincidence of wants?
Yes, sir.
How? I just explained what a person desires to sell is exactly what the other wishes to buy. Suppose you want to sell me the pen, but I don't want to purchase your pen. Would be there a double coincidence want? No. Anudeep, you wanted to tell something? Anudeep.
Sir, actually got an example, but actually that isn't right. I'll think. I'm thinking.
What you're thinking?
No, sir. Actually, you said you wanted a pen. So what if I have a paper with me?
Yes, same thing. If I want to purchase the pen, but you have, means you don't have pen, okay, but you want to have the pen. So there would be, if suppose I want that paper from you and you want that pen from me, so definitely there would be the chances. It means there are certainly chances of double coincident of want, because one person is trying to sell and one person is trying to buy the same thing. Okay, this is only called the double coincident of wants. Suppose, let us take an example. In these days, suppose today, if you are means you encountered with a shopkeeper and you went over there in the shop and you are asking, you ask for a packet of biscuit, okay, biscuit packet, okay, just small example will take. Would he deny you to give?
Unless we don't have money, then he won't deny us, sir.
Definitely. Means you have something to give him, isn't it? You have to pay something for that in these days. But what about in the ancient time? Was there any system? Yes, it was a system called barter system. Okay, barter. And this is the barter exchange. It is also called as system, where the system where the goods are directly exchanged. Suppose I wanted to have the biscuit packet in those days, so I would have to give him something else. Means suppose that person would have manufactured the biscuits from wheat, so I would have to give him wheat. Definitely, the manufacturer of biscuit would like to have, means like to purchase the wheat. Okay, so because biscuits are manufactured through wheat flour, right? Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Definitely. So there would be the double coincidence of wants. Understood? And this thing, suppose मैंने अभी जैसे बताया कि suppose he denied, because whatever you are having, that thing he doesn't want to purchase. So there would be no double coincidence of want. There would be no double coincidence of want. Understood? And that is why money plays very vital, crucial, and very significant role in our economy, as it has been eliminated the need of double coincidence. Suppose I want to have something, so I would directly go to the market and will pay money for that and will purchase the thing. Are you getting? Okay. And that is why money has become, or it acts as a medium of exchange. Understood? What did you get from it? What did you get from it? If I say that money acts as a medium of exchange, in the sense what? We have eliminated the double coincident, okay, the need of double coincident, and whatever you want at whatever time you may purchase the things. Okay. Now there are some limitations of barter system. What are the limitations that we are going to study here? Okay. What is the first limitation? In a large economy, as India is, what is the rank of Indian economy? Do you know? Worldwide, I'm asking. Hello. Students are not responding. I think
Sir, I'm not sure of the exact position, but it should be in the top 5.
it should be
In the top 5.
Sir, is the number one China?
Where in the world?
In the world, number one is China, is it?
Number one, yes, it is number one there. China is the number one there. Okay, worldwide, but there is a slight problem. One second. Whatever you have told about China, China has a slight down. As you might have known about, there was what happened last year there. I'm not getting it. Whatever the loan it borrowed, the country that China had borrowed some loan from somewhere else, and it was not paid by it. Okay, so there was a crash in the economy, in Chinese economy, and its rank was dragged down below USA. So on first, USA is there, and now it is on second. China is on second number. Sorry, is at second number. Have you got the point? Okay. And our economy is the third economy in the world. Okay. That is a very large economy in comparison with USA. USA's population is lesser than Indian population. Still, Their GDP is more than the Indian people. Okay. So in large economy, barter exchange is not feasible. It cannot work at all. Understood? In modern times, at least, it cannot. Understood? These are the limitations of barter system. Means barter cannot work over here in this economy, in this growing economy. Under the barter system, it is not feasible to carry forward one's wealth. Definitely, there would be no economic growth. Would be there any economic growth if the things are being exchanged only and you are not getting in the, and there is another means flaw of this barter system is the things which are exchanged are not measured properly. Suppose I want gold and someone wants diamond. I'm just telling you the example. Okay, so diamond is a costly stone there, right? And this gold is a metal which is lesser means less costlier than the diamond. Suppose they want to exchange it, so whose loss is there? Who? The person who is exchanging
Diamond loss.
diamond, right? Diamond, the person who is exchanging it, he would be in the loss, isn't it? So that is also not increasing the wealth of a person. Okay, means barter system only exchange the things and it would not support to the economic growth of that particular person. Okay, the third is in a search for a person to exchange their surplus in a barter system, a person would end up incurring very high cost. I just told you the example, diamond and gold, isn't it? Okay, are you getting it? Huh? Don't say only S. If it is not
Yes.
clear, so you may ask me. Okay, don't go ahead blindly. There is no use of it. Okay, understood? If you have any kind of doubt, you may ask me. Suppose you are not getting right now, I would again explain it. Don't worry about it. Okay, understood? But don't think that the things which are happening over here would not be repeated. It would be repeated if you are not getting. Ultimately, your satisfaction is must. Understood? So please, wherever you think
Yes, sir.
that something is not understood by you, you may interrupt me and you can ask me. Understood? Okay, don't hesitate. Don't keep any hesitation in you that no, sir will not like that or whatever. Okay, I don't have any problem. You are asking questions because it is a symbol of student that he must ask the questions. Okay, otherwise he is not a student. So taking into consideration the example of rice, these are perishable goods. One cannot save it like money. Moreover, money is a perishable. Perishable means that we can keep the things for a long time, isn't it? Okay, Kritika, hello. Hello, Kritika, are you there? Kritika, am I audible to you? Am I audible to you? These girls are not responding. Udbhav?
Yes, sir.
Udbhav? Okay. Tushar?
Yes, sir.
Tushar, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm there.
Okay. Anudeep is already there. Adarsh is there. Mohammed is there. Okay, now. Kritika, are you there? You're not speaking a single word. Okay, sorry. Okay, let it be. So taking into consideration the example of rice, अगर हम rice का example लेते हैं, तो we can consider that the rice cannot be stored for a long time. A person would have to sell it, even if that person doesn't want to sell, even if the person doesn't want to have the other things, still he would have to exchange the things. okay, in barter system. But money can be stored for a long time. As we have seen the case in Uttar Pradesh, you might have heard about the case, okay, that the person who was selling the scent, okay, that was caught. The person was caught by the ED and income tax department and all. So it was stored money. It was stored money. It was not perishable. Okay. Then, for example, if a person is looking to barter surplus rice, then a lot of resources and time would be spent on finding the person who would be willing to exchange goods that you need. मुझे अगर बेचना है, if you want to sell the rice in surplus, okay, then you would have to find out the person who would purchase the rice in exchange of something else, okay, that I want. Understood? But it is very difficult. It is very difficult to find the person of having the same need or demand or having the same asking, okay. Moreover, storing rice also would require a lot of space. If there are space constraints, then it would be a problem. अगर ज़्यादा space cover हो गई, then there would be the problem. Okay, understood? Understood till now?
Yes, sir.
We have what we have seen. What is money? What is money? Money is a means of payment. Okay, that is means that can be used to purchase the things, okay, at a time without spending much time upon it. Understood? Second thing, the things which money can work for us and still it is working, okay, as an intermediate in the process of exchange. It means whatever I want, like I want shoes, I want pots, I want wheat, sorry, okay, so I can go to the store and can purchase in exchange of money, okay. It will not restrict me to purchase the wheat or pots or shoes. Understood? And that is why money has very vital money plays very vital role in our day-to-day life. I'm just recapping it, okay. Then the situation before the money invention of money, we have seen that right from the coins, okay. कॉइन्स के बाद मतलब जो भी एक्सचेंज के लिए यूज किया जाता था पहले, ठीक, उनमें कॉइन्स ज्यादातर यूज किए जाते थे. अंडरस्टूड? Coins were used as the exchange, medium of exchange, okay. But before the invention of the coins and other things which were used as money, okay, there was a barter system that was called the barter exchange system, okay, where it was happening only, or it would have taken place only if the person next to me wants to have the same thing that I want to sell, okay, only that could be done in the double coincident of form. Understood? And that is why it is said that what a person desires to sell, exactly what the other person wishes to buy. Understood? And that is why the money has got the importance, as it eliminates the need of double coincident, okay. Because अगर double coincident ही होना है तो things किसी की भी sell नहीं होगी और कोई भी things को purchase नहीं करेगा. Nobody will purchase and nobody will sell the things. Means the ability of selling and purchasing would be eradicated. खत्म हो जाएगी वो, है ना? It would be eradicated. जड़ से ही निकल जाएगी. Nothing would be there. Understood? And people, their economic growth will be stable. They would not grow as they could. Okay, they would not grow definitely. Understood? Because they would just exchange the things. But for manufacturing of the particular things, okay, they would have to to have the raw materials, and that raw materials might be purchased, okay, from the other person. But in that also, they will have to exchange the things only in exchange of raw material. So this process would go on for long, and there would be no economic growth actually. Okay, and that is why money can be added as the exchange, as the medium of exchange, and it can eliminate the double coincident, and even it can just give a person its means his economic growth. It can let the person to have the economic growth in his life. Understood? Okay. Kritika, what happened? You are living and joining. Is there any problem, beta? Hello? Hello? Kritika's voice is not there. Kritika, you are not audible. Am I audible to you? You may leave the chat. You may leave the message there. Oh, there are 5 chats. Okay. Voice is breaking. My voice is breaking. Okay. You sent me this song. Is at what time? 9:13. It is almost the time. Sorry, Kritika, if my voice was breaking there. So sorry for that. There may be a problem in the internet connection. Okay. Others, were you getting my voice?
No, sir.
We are getting so.
No?
Yes, sir.
Someone was saying no. Others, you
Yes,
say.
sir. A few minutes ago,
Yes,
it was
sir.
breaking.
Okay, there may be a problem. There might be a problem in my network connection. Okay, as I have connected my laptop with my mobile, so there may be a problem in the network. And today, what happened, I don't know. My laptop is draining a lot of lots of MBs. Why it is happening, I don't know. Okay, so let it be there. So is it okay with this?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Is there any difficulty till now? Is there any question in your mind about this, whatever we have learned now?
No, sir, not till now.
Huh?
No, sir.
No? Pakka? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Just I'm asking you if you have any doubt about this session, whatever we have taken just now. So you may ask me right now, because I'm giving you this time to just ask me if you want to ask. Is
No
there
doubt,
no
sir.
question? Is there no question in your mind? I initially I told you, if there is no question in the mind of a student, means is okay. There
Sir, this
must be the
concept
question.
is easy.
Huh?
This concept is easy, sir.
This concept is easy. That is why you don't have any question about it. Okay. So let us then move to the next topic. That is modern forms of money. Okay. Let me.
Yes, sir.
Are the slides, are you finding the slides very easy or difficult to be understood? The
So can you
slides which
repeat
are,
it?
They're easy, sir.
is it easy to
They're
understand?
fine. Yes, they're good.
Okay. So modern forms of money. As before some time we have seen what was the problem there with the barter system and how money has eliminated the need of double coincident. Okay, now let us understand about the modern forms of money. We have already learned that money is used as a medium of exchange. Okay, see, it is written also here, modern. So money to abhi invent hua hai now, before some time, maybe 1,000 years back. Okay, just let's say 1,000 years back. But what about the before? Okay, there was nothing to be. So before the introduction of money, there was something like means people used to introduce the coins, and they were purchasing cattle, grains, metallic coins they were exchanging with. Okay, And this time, now in modern time, we have paper notes and coins. Okay. Paper notes and coins are considered the modern form of money, modern currency. Means fiat value, no intrinsic value. It means what? Modern currency is used as a medium of exchange across the country. Why? Because it is authorized by the government of India. RBI regulates the currency in India, and even the individuals or any other agencies are not allowed to issue the currency. Oh, I will explain this in a proper way. Okay. Whatever is written. Let us consider this. Nowadays we use the paper notes. Means हमारे पास जो note होती है, whatever the note of rupees 500, 10 rupees, or 200 and 2000 rupees. There was a demonetization. In which year? Do you know? In 2018. 8th of November 2018, the demonetization was happening there, and all the old notes were banned to be used, okay, by the Indian government. And the new, see, as you can see here, okay, this 2000 rupees, 200 rupees, this is 100 rupees, and this is 50 rupees. Okay, these are the old, but these two are new paper notes or paper, okay, money. And the coins which are introduced by the government of India. These are the modern currencies. Okay. And these modern currencies can be
Yes, sir.
used with modern forms, like the banking sector. Actually, now we will enter into it. The banking sector is now accepting the things which are the money which is authorized by the government of India, and nothing would be agar aap, if you are going in the bank with cattle, with grain and metallic coins, so it is another matter. Now it has also something else over there for with bank, with the metallic coins and other things which are made with metals. Okay, they're having the other things for these things to be exchanged in money, okay, in the banks as well. But if you'll go with cattle and grain, so will bank accept it? No, nothing will be accepted. Why? Because it was happening before the invention of money, but nowadays we use the modern currency, where modern currency includes the paper notes and the coins. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So today we will just conclude these things. Okay. In this session, we will conclude our session as well. Okay. Tomorrow again we will repeat it once more, and we'll go for another things like banks and its importance over there. Understood?
Yes, sir.
One second. Okay, so you all please don't leave the class right now. Tushar might have left the class. Who left the class? Just
Sir, I'm here.
okay. Please don't leave the class. I have to ask something.